Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and writing capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of green, and the next one is blue, yellow, black, and the last one is red. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Kids, subscribe to our channel. D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. The next one is F. Now we draw the alphabet of F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. We again use the color of red. Now we draw H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the alphabet of K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Now we draw the alphabet of O. The next one is P. And now we draw Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is T. Now we draw the alphabet of U. Kids, the next one is V. V for van, V for vanilla. Now we are using the color of blue. The alphabet of V. The next one is W. Now we draw W, and the next one is X. The last one is Y. Y for yolk. And now we draw Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.